Hello, dear students. Financial statement of a company. In this chapter, first we will learn how to prepare statement of profit and loss. Statement of profit and loss for the year ending. You need to remember the main headings to be written under this statement. A. Revenue from operation. B. Expenses. C. Profit before tax. D. Tax expenses. E. Profit after tax. So first and foremost, keep it in your mind the layout and the headings that you need to write under statement of profit and loss. This will help you to solve the problems. So let's begin with the first 6-mark question. From the following information, prepare statement of profit and loss for the year ended 31st March 2018 as per Schedule 3 of Companies Act 2013. Revenue from operation 5 lakh, purchase of goods 3 lakh, salary to employees 40,000, leave encashment 10,000, rent and tax 30,000, repairs to machinery 20,000, tax 30%. So the question states that we need to prepare statement of profit and loss for the year ending on 31st March 2018. The preparation of statement of profit and loss account should be as per the Schedule 3 of Companies Act 2013. So from the question, we know that revenue from operation is 5 lakh, which will be written directly under the heading revenue from operation. Purchase of goods is nothing but purchase of stock in trade. Salary to employees, leave encashment. Both of these items you need to show a working note, what we call it as note to accounts. So this goes as note number 1 under the heading employee benefit expenses. Next, rents and taxes, repairs to machinery. These two are other expenses. So under the heading other expenses, you need to show note number 2. Once we find out the total of revenue, the total of expenses, we will arrive at profit before tax. On this amount, you need to calculate 30% tax. We will get profit after taxes. So, let's work out the solution. Statement of profit and loss for the year ending 31st March 2018. Make 3 columns. Particulars, note number, amount. Make sure to show the rupee symbol. So the first one is revenue from operation. So the question provides us the information as rupees 5 lakh. So directly write it in the amount column. Other income, we do not have anything. We arrive at total revenue, that is rupees 5 lakh. The next heading being expenses. Under that, the first one is purchase of goods, which is written as purchase of stock in trade, rupees 3 lakh. The next information is with respect to employee benefit expenses. So now, students, what you need to do is you need to leave a couple of lines and then you need to write note to accounts. Under that, note number 1 will be for salary to employees and leave encashment, which will come under the heading employee benefit expenses. Write both the expenses. The total of these two expenses is rupees 50,000. So coming back to your statement, over here you need to write note number 1, which is directly connected to the working that you have done it. Now show 50,000 in the statement of profit and loss. Next we have rent and taxes, repairs to machinery will come under the heading other expenses. So now again under note number 1, write note number 2, show the workings. Under the heading other expenses, rent and taxes 30,000, repairs to machinery 20,000. The total being 50,000. So coming back to your statement, write note number 2. The amount is 50,000. This is with respect to other expenses. Now we are left out with tax. So before we arrive at tax amount, let's find out the total of expenses. So 3 lakh plus 50,000 plus 50,000 is 4 lakh. Profit before tax will be total revenue minus total expense. That is 5 lakh minus 4 lakh is 1 lakh rupees. So on this 1 lakh, we need to charge 30% interest. So let's calculate tax expense on 1 lakh. 30% will be 30,000. Now we arrive at profit after tax. For this, we need to calculate C. C is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh minus 30,000, we will arrive at an amount of rupees 70,000, what we call it as profit after taxes. So students, please make sure that first you write statement of profit and loss. The working notes should be done after leaving a couple of lines. Students, do remember that writing note to accounts is important, and as it carries marks. You need to work out this as your assignment question. Thank you.